Hello and welcome back. In this class, we're gonna download WordPress from the wordpress.org. We just write down the WordPress and we hit enter. Okay, we're gonna see there is two links, but we have to go to this where it say wordpress.org, and we just hit over here. We click here on say download and click again. The size is like a 9 megabytes, and the current version is 4.9.1. Okay, this is almost done. As soon as we finish this one, we want to extract this one to my computer. Okay, it's complete. Let me just open it right now. Let me extract. I'm gonna use desktop, and when I say enter, okay, it's extracting right now. Let me just close here, minimize this one, and it's right here. Okay, our next step is like we have to install this inside our new server, the Wampserver. For that, we have to go here, and the Wampserver app is right here. We click there. Okay, the directory where this application is gonna be installed is in this one, the www directory. We click here, and we just draw this one like this. Okay, and if we go back here to see the installation is there to start the process, we just go here and say this one, local, and you see now you see the WordPress here. Before, let me just do that again. Let me just remove it from that way you can see before it wasn't there. Let me close this one. Okay, if I take it out again and I go back here, I refresh, we don't have nothing here where it says your projects because we don't have any installation in process. We just draw this one back in here and now it's gonna appear in here. Let me refresh. As you see, now it's here. Okay, and right now we're gonna click here. It's gonna start the process now for WordPress. Okay, that is uploading connections, and I know what it is, this one. Okay, if that happened to you, what you need to do is like you need to first over here say localhost. Okay, we just write the word local, sorry about that, slash, and then enter. And now we're gonna start the process. From this part, we have to click continue. That way it's gonna ask you for the database name, the username, and the password, and the host. Okay, it's gonna ask you actually if you got all the information, which we have already created in the previous video. Over here, we just gonna switch to the other page. That way we can get all this information needed in here. Okay, let me just go here and go back here. Do you remember we create this account? Okay, in here we have to go to privilege to get information. The account is right here. Okay, we just go back here. Silicon is the username, and Silicon Bay is the database right here. Everything is lowercase. Okay, let me just go back to my installation. We switch first the Silicon, that's Silicon base. Okay, Silicon Bay, and username was Silicon. And the password was admin. This area you can either choose to leave it like that, localhost, or you can, actually you have to leave it this way because you work in localhost, sorry, my bad. Over here with the table prefix, you can change it to like my new website, whatever you want, okay? And then you say just submit. If everything look okay, you're gonna receive this welcome message, like I said, all right, Sparky, you have made it through this part. Okay, and now we have to start run the installation now. What I do, because this is just to teach you how to use Adobe Muse inside WordPress, I'm gonna use the same name for this one. I'm gonna call it Silicon Bay, but because this is the title, I can use capital in here. And I can use this one as a capital right here. Let me just make a space because this is the title. Username is gonna be just silicon. And the password, let me write this strong password, and I'm gonna use the same one. Oops. Let me just erase that. Okay, admin. And I'm gonna confirm yes because it's asking me this password is too weak, but I'm gonna say yes because this is local. It's not right now on the, it's not online. Over here I just type my email, which is, I can choose any one I want. I'm gonna pick this one. Okay, siliconbay.com. This domain, I don't know if it exists, but it exists. It's not mine. I just make it up, this one, but I just using this just for teaching purpose. Okay, I gonna click here because this is not online anyway. I gonna discourage search engines to index this website. And now I just hit install, and the installation is gonna begin. Okay, now it's done. Right now I just, let me try to log in now in my dashboard. Okay, that's username was silicon and password was just admin. Okay, as you see here, we're done with the installation, this WordPress right now. See you next class.